Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another live stream. Just setting myself up real quick, guys. Just setting it up, you know. Um, yeah, I'm just setting up my stream real quick, guys. I'm still trying to decide if I should also go live on TikTok, but it's a bit risky because TikTok doesn't really want these types of posts, man. So I have to be a little creative with TikTok. So just give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna begin just now, right? I'm gonna begin in a few minutes. Just a quick sound test, guys. Let me know if the sound is okay. Let me know if the sound is all right, so that we can continue. Okay, let's see. Let's see if the sound is okay, guys. Um, Gmail. Just hold on, guys. I'm still setting up my other stream. Okay, so we're gonna get started just now. We're gonna get started just now, guys. So just chill a bit. Let me see if I can't put that message where I say that they should join us on the YouTube channel. All right. Okay, I think I got it. Well, okay, let me see. Go live. Okay, we're gonna get started just now, guys. Okay, so we are live, guys. We are live. Currently live on TikTok and on YouTube, which is pretty cool. So let me just check here how many people are on my YouTube. Okay, about three viewers right now. Okay, so it's cool. All right, so you guys can type your if you guys have any questions, just type them in the chat. I'll probably be able to see them. Just a quick update on what we're gonna be trading. Remember, guys, we still are in the festive season. I'm only gonna go back to the forex market maybe the week after next. Okay. So for the time being, I'm going to be trading on the synthetic indices, which is your uh, your volatility 75, volatility 100, exponential growth, all those things, right? Oh wait, hold on, guys. I forgot that I've actually got a mic on. Okay. Okay, somebody's calling me. Let me just respond to them. Just hold on, guys. Let me just hold on, guys. Just hold on. Here, man. How come I haven't? Just hold on, guys. Just hold on. Hold on. We're gonna continue just now, all right? Hey, guys. we're gonna continue. All right, guys. We're gonna continue just now. Let's just start in 5 minutes, guys. Almost ready. Almost ready just now, guys. So we're live in two places, YouTube, and we're live on TikTok. Right, and for those of you guys on TikTok, um, okay, one of the challenges, guys, that I can't show the screen, right? TikTok has a funny thing, like they don't want to see MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 on a live stream. I don't know what the reason is. I've tried on several accounts, they just take it down, whether you're doing good, whether you're doing bad, right? So that's what it is. But let's just quickly do a sound test, guys. Just let me know if the sound is all right. Let me know if the sound is okay. Let me know if the sound is okay. Let me just check on OBS. The sound on OBS seems fine. Using my mic. Hopefully, everything is good on your side, guys. All right, guys, we're going to continue just now. 2 minutes, guys. In 2 minutes, we begin. It doesn't seem like we have any issues. We've got 8 viewers on the stream right now. We're going to continue just now, guys. Just 3 minutes. 3 minutes, then we're going to begin. So let me just give an outline of what we're going to be doing. Um, okay, guys. So these next live streams that I'm going to do, like I've mentioned in the beginning of the stream, guys, is that we're going to look at the synthetic indices, right? The reason for that is they give us more consistent volatility, right, than the forex market right now. The past 2 3 weeks in the forex market hasn't been that great. The market has been ranging and moving sideways. Okay, so now what needs to happen is we need to divert and look at different markets. That's why now I'm on the synthetic indices. I'll go back to your traditional forex trading maybe after the second week of January 2026, right? But for now, we can trade the we can trade the synthetic indices. Your volatility, your exponential, your step, your jump, your spot up, all these things, because the synthetic index market is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? So while we're waiting for the forex market to just correct and do its thing, we can just jump into the derivative broker, right? So for the time being, the only broker that offers these synthetic indices is just it is what is this? It's derivative, right? Some people say there's another broker, but I didn't really check. I'm not really interested. You know, I'm just doing synthetic indices just to hold me down a bit. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm in the synthetics for right now. But usually I'm trading your forex majors, things like your Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, AUD USD, NZD USD, gold, silver, US 30, NAS 100. What other markets? Sometimes the JPY pairs, the CAD pairs, the GBP pairs. So it's just a bunch of them that I actually on a normal basis that I look out for, right? So yeah. So anyways, guys, let's just go ahead and look at a few markets, right? And I'm sure you guys have also seen our new trading system. We're gonna look at that just now. We're just gonna go over the current system, the M3 signal system, right? That's the one that we are usually trading with. So I'm gonna start with that because a lot of people joined up and they're still learning how to use the system. So we need to get a grip on that, and then I'm going to show you guys the new one as well. Okay, so let's go over the components of our trading system, right, guys? So there's three important things. Why am I having? I hate that sound. You know that MetaTrader 5 alert sound. That sound annoys me. You know, it annoys me. I just remove it. So, anyways, guys, let's just go through the components for those of you guys who aren't familiar with it. Let's just go through it, right? If you haven't seen or watched the training videos, this is an opportunity for you to just, get acquainted with the rules, okay? So, there's a few things that are on the screen right now, right? We have um, we have three things on the screen that are important. So, okay, actually, it's six indicators on the screen, right? So the first set of three is the moving averages, okay? So the moving averages are these lines right here, okay? These lines right there, right? The red line, the blue line, and the purple line, okay? So these moving averages are there to help us to, identify on this particular system. They're there to help us identify the the trend, okay? So you can either have an uptrend or downtrend. So what we try to do, guys, when we're trading with our system is that we want to find trends, right? And then we want to trade in the direction of the trend, okay? So if the market is in an uptrend, we want to look for buy entries, right? If the market is in a downtrend, we want to look for sell entries, right? So what does that mean specifically for us when we are dealing with this trading system? It means that for the trend, okay, let's talk about an uptrend. So it means that for a trend, for an uptrend, we need to see the moving averages. The moving averages have to be stacked in this order, right? The 20 moving average, which is the red one, has to be pointing up and it has to be the one that's at the top, okay? And then in the middle, it has to be the blue one, which is the 50 EMA. And then at the bottom, it has to be the purple one, which is the 200 EMA. So the 20 needs to be at the top, the 50 needs to be in the middle, the 200 has to be at the bottom, okay? So what does that tell you? That tells you that the price is in an uptrend, okay? That's what it means. That's what we're looking for, okay? And then for a downtrend, okay, here's an example here on the chart, right? Is that we want to see the moving averages stacked in this order. So the 20 EMA has to be at the bottom, and then just above it, it has to be the 50 EMA, they have to be pointing down, and then just above that, we need to see the 200 EMA, okay? So this tells us that the trend is down, right? So once you see or you identify which direction the trend is going, then now you want to look for the entry confirmation, right? So how do you get the entry confirmation? You look at the three confirmation indicators, right? So for an uptrend, you want to see an arrow pointing up. The most recent arrow on the chart has to be pointing up, right? So if it's pointing down, it's not what we're looking for, right? So the arrow has to be pointing up, and then on the right hand side of the screen, you need to have a buy on the dashboard, on the right there on the top right, and then you have to have a buy at the bottom right of the screen. Okay, so that confirms the buy trade. Okay, that confirms the buy trade. So step one is to get the trend. Step two is to get the buy entry confirmation if you're in an uptrend, right? And then step three is now where you put your stop loss and you take profit. The stop loss is easy, guys. I'm just going over it right now, just very quickly. The stop loss is easy. We just put the stop loss at the 50 EMA, and then we use the stop loss to model a 1:1 risk ratio, which then, for example, if the stop loss is 10 pips away from the entry price, then that means that our take profit is going to be 10 pips away, right? Same thing with a sell trade, guys. Step one, you are going to look for a downtrend. You look at the moving averages, right? The 20, the 50, and the 200. If they're telling you that you're in a downtrend, then you look for a confirmation. So what are the confirmations? You have to see number one, an arrow pointing down. The most recent arrow on the chart needs to be pointing down, right? And then on the top right, there needs to be a sell on the dashboard, and then there needs to be a sell on this bottom right indicator. These candlesticks must be red. Okay. So if that's the case, then you open up the trade to sell. You put your stop loss at the 50, and then you model the 1:1 risk ratio, and then just like that, you have your trade. Okay. So that's how we're going to be analyzing some markets right now. Okay. That's how we're going to be analyzing the charts, right? So if you don't understand what I've been saying, guys, the training videos are in the Telegram channel. Just go to the pinned message, just watch the training videos, the buy rules and the sell rules. Then it's gonna make much more sense. Okay, so I don't want you to stay behind as we are trading right here. Okay, so the question that I get a lot is, which time frame is best, right? So the time frame just depends on how you want to trade, right? So I like to swing trade a lot. So I'm usually on the 30-minute chart and the 15-minute chart, right? But mostly I'm on the 30-minute chart. But there are times when I see the momentum where I go down to the 5-minute chart. Okay? So it's all up to how you want to approach the markets, right? So I want these particular markets. So you see right now, this is the step index on the 5-minute chart. This is a sell signal right now. So if we were to enter into this trade, we'd go in because there's an arrow pointing down. There's a sell on the dashboard, sell on the price action signal. And then you guys can see that the moving averages are stacked bearish, which means that it's a downtrend. Okay. So what we do is we'd enter a sell right there. We put our stop loss at the 50, right? And then we would model a 1:1 risk ratio just like that. Okay. Just very, very easy. So those are the rules, guys, right? Those are the rules. Okay. So that's what we're going to be using to find um, the, the signals. Okay. So now let me just overlay something right now. Okay. So um, I know a lot of you guys have seen the new trading system. So I just want to show you guys, okay, how it works as well. So I know, but most of you guys who are on here, you already know how this system works. Okay. So now let's move over to the other system because there's some components on it that I'm going to use. Okay, there's some components that I'm going to use, right? So this is the new trading system right here. Okay, now I won't go too much into detail on this system, right? But what I'm going to take from this system right now, so that we can do our analysis very quick, is the market scanner. Okay, so the market scanner is this one right here. Let me show you guys. We'll have another session where we talk about this particular trading indicator, right? So I just want to show you guys something. Okay, I'm going to explain the market scanner now, and then the rest of the indicators I will explain them in the other session. Okay, so I'm just going to use the market scanner so that we can quickly find buy and sell signals very quickly, guys. I'm all about working smart, guys, not working hard. So I just want to save time. Okay. So, anyways, so this system is the market flow V8 indicator. Okay, so this is the new one. This is the one for 2026. This is the one we're going to jump into, right? So if you look closely at the chart, what's on here? We have these blocks right here. You see these blocks right here. This is the market scanner, okay? So this indicator, um, it looks at all these different markets, right, that we put on here. We can put several markets on here, and then it's going to rank them and show us which one have good buy signals and which ones have weak buy signals, right? It also shows us which one has good sell signals, which one has weak sell signals, right? So you see all these markets right here. These are markets for us to take advantage of or to pay attention to, like these particular ones right here. The volatility 25 1 second index, you guys can see that the signal is buy. So, without wasting time, guys, these are the charts that we're gonna trade on. Okay, without wasting any time, we're just gonna jump into these ones instead of looking at the entire market, guys. We don't have all day, right? So even here, so the it's basically what we can call this, guys, is a trade filter. Basically, it saves you time, saves you money, saves you stress, right? So we're gonna use this indicator to filter out and go to exactly the markets that are tradable right now. Okay? Are we together, guys? Let me just quickly check if I don't have any comments real quick. Just hold on. The new system. Okay, somebody's asking how much is the new system, and then how are we going to cooperate both of them in trading in trading? Oh wait, are we going to cooperate both of them in trading, or 2026 will be using the new one? Look, you can combine them. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to combine them today, right? So today, guys, I'm going to show you the market scanner, right, on top of our MetaTrader 5 system, the 2025 system, right? So I'm gonna do that on top. I just don't want to confuse you guys, right? So for now, we're gonna use the MT5 system, okay? We're gonna use the MT5 system along with the market scanner just to quickly get trades, okay? So let me just quickly load up some of these markets here, right? So let me just get the, because you tell this indicator what to scan, okay? So let's just let it scan the volatility indices, right? Just hold on, guys. I'm just getting them from my trading list real quick, right? But we're gonna have another session, guys, so don't worry. Right now, I'm just using this to pinpoint all the good signals right now, okay? Just to save some time, right? The objective is to work hard, not smart. It's to work smart, not hard. Okay, is to work hard, work smart, not hard. Okay, that's not what we don't want to work hard, guys. We want to work smart. Okay, that's why we use trading indicators to work smart, right? Okay, so what did I do for those of you guys who are following me right now? So, like, this is the system that most of you guys already have right here on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, so what I've done is I've put the market scanner on top so that we can quickly see which markets are worth analyzing. Okay, so right off the jump, we can already see that the volatility 90 index is a good market for us to look at. The volatility 100, crash 600, volatility 25, volatility 15. Okay, and then these other markets as well. So we've got just like that, guys. We know exactly where to go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's just start with the volatility 15. So to get to that chart, guys, you just go to the block. Okay, well, let's go with the 25. You just go to the block and then click on the name, right? You just click right there and then it will just shift, okay? So then the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to look for buy entry or sell entry confirmations, just like that, guys, okay? Without wasting time, let's just jump in, right? So here's a potential trade, guys. This is volatility 90, 1 second index. You guys can see that this is the 30-minute chart. This is a buy signal. Why am I saying it's a buy signal? Let's go down to the 15-minute so you guys can see this clearly. All right, it's just that I've got the dark background here. Okay, so let me just put it back this side. Let's see, what was that? It was volatility 90. I don't like this thing of searching for markets, man. It annoys the hell out of me. Okay, but anyways, so we've used the market scanner to quickly see which markets are worth it. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're looking at the volatility 90. We've got an arrow pointing up, buy on the dashboard. Okay, then let's just wait for the buy on the price action signal. Then we can enter right there. Okay, when it comes back, we can enter right there when it's stable. And then we can put our stop loss right there. And then use that to have a 1:1 risk ratio. Our take profit will be somewhere around here. Okay, it will be somewhere around there. right? So let's keep looking. I'm just gonna be chopping and changing between charts, guys. Okay, the white background looks much better. Okay, it looks much better. So this is crash 600. Put it in your mind. Crash 600. Let's go back to it. And then we have step index is going down. Okay, let's not get too many signals right now, guys. Okay, so it's crash 600 buy. Remember, guys, crash 600 buy, crash 300 sell, step index sell. Yeah, it's just a lot. Yeah, these things have funny names, guys. They get funny names. Okay, let's just jump on the ones that we can see already. Let's look at step index. Okay, step index. Let's look at it on the 30 minutes. Okay, let's look at it on the 15 minute because the moving averages are much better there. All right, let's look at step index on the 15-minute chart. Okay, let me get it here on the white background. Step index, step index, step index. And another thing, guys, that I made a video about this, right? Um, hey, the synthetic indices, guys, they have too many. There's just too many of them. Okay, and the lot sizes can be confusing, right? So what I noticed while I was trading is that when you, let's say for example, okay, we're gonna quickly go to step index right now. Okay, I just want to show you guys this thing: step index, step index, step index, right? Step index, step index. I just want to quickly find it here and put it on the white background. Okay. Okay, guys, we can see that step index is a sell signal, right? Okay. But now the challenge, you know what the challenge is going to be, right? Okay. Let's qualify the signal, right? The moving averages are telling us that it's a downtrend. You can see the 20 is under the 50, the 50 is under the 200. Okay. That tells you that the direction of the market is down. The entry confirmation arrow pointing down, sell on the dashboard, sell on the price action signal, right? So now we already know that this is a sell, right? But now the lot size, okay? You can just quickly do this on your phone. You can go to step index on your um on your phone, right? On your mobile version of MetaTrader 5. Okay, and then as soon as you open the chart there, right, at the top it's going to show you the lowest lot size that you can use. Okay, so let me just quickly do that with my phone real quick so I can just tell you guys. Right, so if you're trading step index, right, and you go into MetaTrader 5 on the PC, I mean on your phone, just for the lot size, it's just a hack to get the lot size quickly. Okay, so step index, I'm just trying to find it on my phone so I can tell you guys what's the smallest lot size you can use. You open up the chart, right? So the smallest lot size that you can use on step index, right, is 0.10, right? If you put 0.9, it's not going to work. So if you open up 0.10, it's going to open, and then our stop loss is placed at the 50. You guys hear what I'm saying? I might have lost some people there, but I'll repeat it. All right, I'll repeat it. We'll look at another market and you'll see what I mean. Okay. So, yes, like I was saying, there's a lot of these synthetic indices, guys, right? There's a lot of them. The standard lot size value is different, right? Amongst all of them. So, you might get another trading instrument where the smallest lot size is zero point 0.5, right? Okay, you won't just know that from the PC version of MT5. So I just noticed that you can clearly see it on the what you call on the mobile version of MT4, right, guys? So that's how you can quickly see it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Who doesn't get what I'm saying? Just say it now or forever hold your peace, guys. Right? If you don't get what I'm saying, tell me now so I can re-explain it. Okay, so we can spend more time on it. All right, are we together? You guys hear what I'm saying? Okay, yeah. So that's one. That's yeah. I know it's funny, guys, but it is what it is. Okay, so very very important when you're trading the synthetic indices. The value for the standard lot size is not the same across these different markets, right? So you might find on another, like maybe step 200, for example. Step 200 might, the trade might start from zero, I think it's zero point 0.2. I think 0.25 is something like that. So there's just too many of them to commit them to memory. Okay, so how I quickly assess it is the I go to the mobile version, open up the chart, and I can see at the top it's preset for me right there. Okay, I tried to check it with the PC version, but it's not like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at another chart. Let's get another confirmation. I'm just gonna click through these charts, guys. Okay, another one is volatility 50. 1 second. Okay, let's go. I want like those. Okay, Crash 500 is showing us nice price action signal. Put it to memory, guys. Crash 500, we're going to go back to it. Hey, Skew Step Index 5 down. Yes, guys. You see how long these names sound, man? It's also a nice signal on the 15-minute chart. Okay, right. Let's look at Skew Step Index down. Hey, yeah, ne? Index 5 down. Hey, too many. Okay, it's Skew Step Index. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, there's just a lot of them, guys. Okay. There's just a lot. Okay, so it's skew step index 5 down. Okay, skew step index 5 down. So let me just try and find it. Skew step index 5. All right, skew step index 5. Is this the one? This is 5 up, not 5 down. Hey. Okay, this is 5 down, right? This is a nice example. Okay, so here are the steps, guys. Let's go through the steps one more time. Okay, so step number one, identify the trend. Okay, what is the trend? The trend is down. Why am I saying it's a downtrend? Because the moving averages are telling us, right? You can see that the 20 is under the 50 and the 50 is under the 200, which indicates that the direction of this market is to the downside. Okay, now the sell entry confirmation is the arrow, is then the sell on the dashboard, and then a sell on the price action signal. So now we've got our signal, right? And then our entry price is where the market currently is. Our stop loss is at the 50, right? And then our take profit is at a 1 is to 1. Okay. So let's just quickly the hack again, guys, for the lot size. Okay. I know some people don't know this, but let me just show you guys. So it's skew step index, skew step index. I'm on my phone right now. You guys can't really see. So skew step index 5, right? 5 down. Skew. I always laugh when I open up these charts, guys, because hey, it's quite funny. Okay, skew step index. Okay, the smallest lot size that we can use here is 0.1. Okay, that's the smallest one, right? Instead of going up and down, guys, the smallest lot size that you can use is 0.10. Okay. And then what I like to do is, okay, this is the nice part about trading on a laptop, right? When you shift your stop loss, it calculates how much the stop loss is gonna be worth, right? So it's gonna be worth about $50, right? And then the TP is about $50. So from there, you can tell that okay, um, if you have a certain amount of money in the trading account, right? Then you have an idea of how much you're risking. Okay, so I like to risk. So let's say for instance, if I have a $100 or $200 account on Deriv, maybe I'll risk about $20, right? So on that particular account, I wouldn't actually take this trade because the risk is quite high, right? So you just play around with the numbers, right? That's the thing with synthetics. Okay, there's other things that you need to know. Right, so let's go for third trade. We'll also look at the Forex market, guys, as well, okay? I'll also put the Forex market here. Maybe let me just quickly go to the Forex market. Let me just quickly check if there's no Lahlile trade. I just want to see if there's a Lahlile trade. Let's quickly look at the Forex market as well. I didn't look at it earlier, so let me just load it here on this trading system, guys. So just give me 1 second. I just want to load it. All right. The thing is, you have to load it the way it's written on the broker. Okay? Go play, mama. I'll be back. I'll be with you just now, okay? I'll be with you just now, baby. I'll be with you just now. Okay, my darling. I'm almost finished.
Daddy, let me tell you.
But I'm almost done.
But Daddy, I want to tell you something.
But I'm almost done.
Please.
Please, how much please? Show me how big your please is.
10
How big is it? 10 much. Oh, it's 10 much. Okay, babe. What's up, my babe? What did Honor do to you?
Nothing.
Go tell her that I'm gonna bite her head off.
She didn't do anything.
She didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Okay. What did Mama do to you?
Nothing.
Go tell her that I'm gonna bite her head off.
No.
Okay.
Mama's gonna shout at me.
She's gonna shout at you. Go tell her that she wouldn't dare. Go tell her now. Go tell her now that she won't dare.
No, Mama's also gonna shout at me.
She's not. Go tell her that Daddy's gonna bite you. Huh?
Daddy, I don't want to.
Baby girl, I'm on a live stream. Do you know what a live stream is?
No.
There's people watching me now. Okay? Can I finish? Then I'll come and play with you.
How many seconds?
10 minutes.
That's gonna take long.
It's gonna take long.
Yeah.
Just 10 minutes, girl.
Just 10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes.
Is it gonna be close to 9 then 10?
Yes.
Then you'll come to me and
Of course,
play.
of course. Right.
But Daddy, let me tell
Okay,
you
just tell me
something.
what's up.
Can you please
Mhm.
I want to play with somebody's phone that looks like blue and white.
Why don't you take Hopi's one?
It's boring.
It's boring.
I wanna play puzzle, but she won't allow
Okay,
me.
go play Bazoo.
No, Hopi won't allow me.
No, don't worry, just go do it. Okay? You
Well,
say
she...
Daddy said you can. Okay, go. Ne? Alright. Okay guys, I had no choice. I had no choice, guys. You know how kids are. Okay, SP500. Guys, you guys already know these things. I'm just gonna read it out for those of you guys who are trading right now. Okay. On the 15-minute chart, SP500 is showing us a sell signal. You see, I updated the market scanner. SP500 is looking good. There's the arrow. It's okay. The moving averages are set right. The 20, 50, 200. Okay, and then you got a arrow pointing down, sell on the dashboard, sell on the price action. SP500. SP500 is a market index, guys. Okay, it's like NAS 100 and US 30. So usually here you need to put a bigger lot size because the pip value is lower, right? Okay, let's look at the US 30. US 30 is tanking. Ah, US 30 is going down, guys. I'm tempted right now. US 30 is going down. US 30, check it on the 5-minute chart. Sell trade, moving averages are stacked nicely. Arrow pointed to the downside. Sell trade, sell on the entry dashboard, sell on the price action signal. Ish, I feel like I might be moving a little fast, guys. Are you guys still with me? Did you take the step index? Yes, I did. I did. I used the zero point 0.1, 0 point, ish, guys, 0 point, I'm saying a lot of things, guys. Yes, I did. I did. And I put the stop loss at the 50 EMA, right? Okay, let's also look at, but are you guys with me so far? Right? If I'm moving too quickly, guys, just let me know, okay? Because I just don't want to just leave you guys hanging. You feel me? All right, so let me just quickly look at these markets. I'm quickly gonna just browse through these markets, guys. Okay, I'm gonna browse through these markets. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Okay, so SP 500, US 30, 15-minute, 5-minute chart. You got your trade right there. Okay, so get silver. These other markets, no. Okay, these forex charts, guys, they're not really giving us the trades that we need, right? They're not giving us what we want right now. Okay, so the two trades that are worth it, okay, that are currently that is still busy, babe. Go play. Okay, what's the matter now? Okay, I'll come and play with you. Why don't you just use Hoopy's phone for now and you play Basil? Okay. Okay, babe. Go play, okay? I'll come and play with you just now. Right? I'm almost done. So I must do the live stream when you're sleeping, but you sleep late, babe. Huh? You like me? I like you too. Okay? Can you give me 5 minutes? Then I'll play with you. Minutes. 5 minutes, I'll play with you. Okay? But now, the more we talk, the longer I will take. All right? Eh? Ah, baby, I'm busy now. You need to give your homeboy some space. Daddy, yes. Is it only a shortcut? You're so funny, Michael. Daddy, okay, Daddy's gonna be busy now. Okay, I need to finish up. You keep interrupting me. Okay. Is it go ask your mama to tell you a story. Tell her that Daddy said you must tell me a funny story. Okay. Go tell him. And look her in the eye when you tell him. Ne? Close the door, my baby girl. Yeah, go tell your mama. Even. Why are you looking at me? Okay, guys, I keep getting distractions. Okay, you guys are with me, right? Let's look at gold. Gold doesn't have what we need right now. Okay, so the markets that I'm omitting, they're not giving us what we need. Okay, so far, guys, the step index, the skew, hey, what is it called? Skew step. Hey, yeah. Let me just read it. Skew step index 5 down. See what I mean, right? So, anyways, US 30 on the 5 minute chart, you guys see is lining up real nice. Okay, it's lining up real nice, guys. US 30 is lining up real nice. It's lining up real nice. Moving averages pointing down, arrow down, sell on the dashboard, sell on the price action signal. Done, guys. What else do you want? What else do you want from your boy? You know? Okay, let's see if we can't get a buy signal somewhere. Just hold on, guys. Let me just quickly check. Let's see if we can't get a buy signal, like a clean buy signal. There's a buy signal on volatility 25. Trek up index. That's a nice trade right there. Trek up index, very nice trade. Let me put it on the white background. So it's trek up index. I think the lowest lot size for this one, I traded it just a few days ago. Um, it's what is the smallest lot size again? I think it's 0.2. Yeah, it's 0.2, right? So here's a buy signal for us. Let me just quickly check. Let me just check on my phone quickly, guys. Just hold on. Trek up index, the smallest lot size. But you can also check it on your phone as well, guys. I'm just showing you guys the process, okay? Trek up index. So it's TREK up index. Let me just quickly check the smallest lot size. Okay. It's 0.1. Okay? 0.1. It's 0.1. 0.1. And then the stop loss is okay, it's not too bad. The pip value here is not too bad. So um right now my buy trade, the stop loss is about $14, right? So if I multiply that by 10, if I want to risk $150, then it can be 1.0. You guys get what I'm saying? So if I want to like risk maybe $30, I can use 0.2. right? You just need to be able to play with the math. You need to play the numbers. You get what I'm saying, guys? You need to play the numbers when it comes to this, right? Let's quickly see which other did I overlook. So we looked at skew step. There was step index. Let's get another buy signal. Let's balance. Let's have two. Let's have two on two, right? Jump 50. Okay, jump 50, the same thing. Jump 50 index. Jump 50 index is also looking good. Um, Volatility 100 index looking good, right? You guys can just look at them yourselves, guys, right? You guys already know the rules. Okay, so let me just repeat. Jump 50, volatility 100, 1 second. But ne, the problem, guys, is don't try to trade all of them, okay? Because of the pip value, right? The pip values are different. Remember, guys, you don't want to finish your free margin, okay? You don't want to finish your free margin. So you need to play smart, right? So track up index, jump 50, volatility 100 is looking good. Let me look at 90. 90, we started with it, is good. Volume boom over 400 is good as well. You see, jump say, let's look at jump 75. Ooh, jump 75 is looking fresh and clean, guys. Right, the T we're targeting 15,688. So I'm looking at the new system now. Okay, I'm looking at the new system right now, guys. Okay, so just to make our lives easier. So jump 75. Okay, let's put it on the white background. Jump 75 index. Where is it? Jump 75 index. This one, jump 75, I think it uses the lowest lot size should be 1.0. Let me just confirm it. Jump 75 index. Jump 75 index. Just hold on, guys. Oh, it's 0.01. Yeah, yeah. Here, be careful. Here, be careful, guys. So the lowest lot size here, it's 0.01. So if it's 0.01, it means that the pip value could be high. So let's just quickly check. Let's just quickly check how much it's gonna be. It's not that bad, guys. Okay, the stop loss at the 50 EMA is about $7, right? So let's say maybe if I wanted to risk um $20, it would be zero point 0.3. I'd use zero point 0.3. So you just need to do quick mathematics off your head, guys. Whip out the calculator. You know what I mean? Just whip out the calculator. So let me just see. There's one that I'm not seeing here. Let's quickly look at the DEX indexes because this one also pays. DEX index pays, guys. It really does pay. Let me just quickly put it on here. I think it's the last thing that I'm gonna look at. The DEX index. The DEX index. Let me just put it on this indicator real quick. Let me also put the exponential growth. It just even sounds funny, guys, when I say these the names of these instruments, man. But hey, guys, I'm this close to switching up and trading these things full time. Hey, it always happens, man. Because I usually trade like the synthetic indices when the FX market is moving sideways, right? But hey, now it's like I'm probably gonna do it full time. You guys might just see me do it full time. You might just see me do it full time, guys. Let me just click OK. All right. So I removed some of the other ones. Exponential growth. Okay, guys. Exponential growth index is going up. You can check the. You can check it on our old system and our new system. It's both giving us buy signals. The take profit level that we're going to is 14,7078.1213. Right. Let's look at DEX 900. DEX 900 is also going up. It just went above the island. So this is going to 38798. You see, but it's not healthy, guys, to trade all of them. It's not healthy. It's not healthy to your. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing, guys. Okay, the exponential growth indices index, right? One and two, they're both going up right now on the 30 minutes. So this is like a swing trade, and then there's levels going to the upside. So it's in a clean uptrend. Make of it what you will. Okay. Let me look at the drift switch going down. Okay, now still emerging. Okay, so right, if I remember correctly, guys. Okay, so the trades that I saw, it was step index, it was skew step, it was skew step index down. Yeah, ne? US 30, right? But obviously US 30 because of the whole festive thing. Like I said, guys, the FX market, I'll go back to it after 2 weeks from now, okay? So now we're just gonna stick to the indices. And then the other two is your exponential growth, one and two, and then your DEX index. Did I miss one, guys? I feel like there's one that I missed. Jump 75 was going up. Jump 50, if I remember correctly. Also, what was the other one, guys? It was jump. I think it was volatility 100. Okay, those are the ones that were showing clear. So there's plenty on the table right now. Okay, so now the matter is all about the lot size. Okay, the lot size can be tricky. Okay, the lot size can be tricky. And then, yeah, the lot size, the stop loss, the TP, we already know how to do that. But the issue now is the lot size. Okay, the issue is the lot size. So you just need to get the lot size in check, and then you'll be able to do what you need to do, right? So let me just quickly look at our chats. Let me see if there's any new chats real quick. Okay, okay, you guys are still with me. You guys are still with me. All right, cool, 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 cool. Right? So I think for now we can just park it here, guys. Okay. Um, as for our next stream, guys, I don't know because you see what happens when I do it early. You know, these kids or the that little kid comes to disturb me and take away my focus. But it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. Um, we can do but I can't do the early AMs anymore, guys. I don't know why. Probably it's gonna be like 11. Let's try 11 p.m., guys. Right? Let's try circle back at 11 p.m. Okay, I'll communicate in the Telegram channel. Okay, 11 p.m. is the time. Yeah, I'll just confirm. If I can't do that 11, maybe early in the morning, right? Because she wakes up. What time do you wake up, babe? You wake up at 10.
10.
Yeah, so I should do the live stream at 7. Ne?
Daddy, that's 6,
Oh
7.
my goodness, what's this?
Your belt.
This is not a belt, girl. This is a gown. It's a belt. Okay, it's not really a belt. What do you go ask Mama what this is called? Ask her what is this called? And it's not a belt. If she says it's a belt, you must tell her to Google it. Okay, guys, I keep getting distracted, as you can see. So, anyways, guys, I'm disconnecting right now. Let's try 11. Okay, I'm not promising anything, right? So we might live stream at 11 or tomorrow very early, guys. Right? I'm talking about. These days I wake up early, so I'm talking about 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., somewhere there. Okay, so I'll communicate in the Telegram channel. Okay, but anyways, guys, I need to disconnect right now. You guys can see I'm already being summoned here. But yeah, anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining up on the stream. We had 26 viewers over here. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, guys, beyond this, just send me a DM. You guys already have most of you guys have my DM. So just send me a WhatsApp, send me a DM on TikTok, send me a DM on Instagram as well. Okay, then I'll be able to respond. So, anyways, for those of you guys who are going to get the new trading system today, okay, we can probably install it and then we'll do the training tomorrow. Okay, we'll start doing the trainings tomorrow, right? We're going to do the trainings every single day for the new trading system so that we are together, right? But I'll be posting more videos about it and then you guys can also be a part of it. Okay, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully, you gained a little bit more understanding about our trading system. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and good luck trading, guys. Cheers.